Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this automatic DF5 hybrid. So this car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, there's 19-inch alloy wheels, integrated windows, you get front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got half leather interior, there's sat nav, the radio features CD player and Bluetooth. So on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. The car has the 2-litre diesel hybrid engine, gives you 160 horsepower, it's got a 6-speed automatic gearbox. The car's done under 80,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.